Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. So to start off, you want to hold power key and then see if I actually have some kind of pattern. Nope, I do not, but this method will also remove a pattern if you have one. So all you need to do is hold power key and then select the power off function. Wait for the device to shut off. Once it's off, you want to hold power key and a volume up, both of the keys at the same time. From here, using a volume up, select the first option, which is recovery mode. Now, I'm not sure if this is visible or readable on the camera, but it's basically the first option. So using only volume up, you want to select it and then press volume down to confirm that. Now you should see the Android with no command as it is visible right here for me. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up once, and there we go, we're now in recovery mode. So in this mode we can use both volume keys to navigate, which volume down goes down and up goes up. And you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. And again, select factory data reset, power key to confirm it. We'll begin removing data, as you can see at the bottom. Formatting data, and the next thing we should see here is data wipe complete. So there we go, we have data wipe complete. It isn't necessarily the last option, but it's finished. So now press power key once more, and that's because reboot system now is selected by default, so we don't really have to do anything, and the process will now continue throughout the reboot. So it will take a little bit longer for the device to boot back up, but once it has, you should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.